Number 5, we don't have a parentheses, but I am going to let u equal what's in the denominator. So if you don't have parentheses, you kind of want to look for the structures of the function, and this one, the main structure is the fact that it's a fraction. So this is what I'm going to let u equal. So if I take the derivative, du is equal to 5 dx, and then I want to solve for dx because I need to replace dx as well in my integral, otherwise I can't integrate. So if I divide both sides by 5, 1 over 5 du is equal to dx. So this is all my information that I need to make my substitution. So my new integral is going to be 3 times 1/5 du over u, which, let's combine that to be 3/5 du over u, which the integral of that is going to be 3 over 5, and when you have 1 over u, that just turns into the ln of u plus c. So our last step is going to be to substitute back in. Again, we don't want to have any u's in our final answer. Our final answer, we need to go back to using only x's. So that'll be our final answer.